Another beautiful day, another beautiful dish to learn.
Today, I'm going to show you how to do something that is so easy. I always say that about all my dishes, it's very easy, but this is not technical at all. It's super easy, I guarantee it. It's almost as easy as, what dish did I make? Sweet tofu dessert. That was insanely easy. I don't know if you know what this is. It's very confusing because there's a lot of green vegetables. So there's all these vegetables here. There is siu choy, there's bok choy, there's gailan, there is yao choy, and there's baby bok choy, and there's baby Shanghai Bok Choy. And then there's even bigger bok choy. So what do you think of these photos? Are you confused yet? Okay, so what I have here, these ones here, these are baby Shanghai Bok Choy. They are different from the baby bok choy because these are more green, and the baby bok choy, the stem part is white. Like you can tell, like these ones here. Confusing, right? I know, they're all vegetables, but they're all good for you. So you just need ginger, baby bok choy, oyster sauce, and my minced garlic. Pre-minced, less work, and salt. How much am I gonna cook? I am going to, Chinese really don't, Chinese cooking don't really do a lot of measurements. We kind of free pour and free cook a lot. If you cook enough, you kind of know how much to put in. I'm going to just tell you that it's 4 cups or 16 little stalks like this. I love vegetables, so I can eat this whole thing myself, but I have to share. So, are you ready to make this awesome dish? It's so easy. You'll whip it up in no time. I would say about 5 minutes. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. So the way how you wash the dirt in between, this is the way how my mom does it. You just dribble this in between like that. Like these vegetables are pretty clean, but some of them, locally grown ones, are pretty muddy. These are baby bok choy, so you don't have to cut it up too much, but there are the regular Shanghai Bok Choy. Those ones, if it's really thick, then you will have to cut it up. So let's just say this one here, the stalk is pretty big compared to this one. This one is small, so you want to cook it evenly. What I normally do is I just cut it like this and split it in half. So the ginger, we are going to cut it up into little strips like matchstick. Holy, did we just prep? That was so easy. You mince up the ginger, wash the vegetables, and that's it. I told you it was easy. This is even easier. So there's many ways of cooking this. I normally like to preheat the pan, add an oil, salt, garlic, and put in the vegetables and stir fry it. But I'm going to do something easier for you. We are going to boil the vegetables, and then we're going to pan fry the garlic, salt, and ginger, and we're just going to pour it on top of the vegetables and mix it up. This is my fast way of cooking, and it's guaranteed you can't go wrong with it. So we're gonna heat some water, bring it to a boil, and then we're gonna put in the vegetables to do a quick boil. So as you can see, the water is boiling. So you want to put in the baby Shanghai Bok Choy. It's all in the water now. Put the lid on and wait a few minutes. When you see steam coming out from the side, that means it's ready, and you want to take it out and drain it. Do you see the steam? It's coming out and the water is boiling. So you want to open it. So it's cooked. Now I drain my veggies. Ooh, look at that steam. See this? Turn off the heat and it's ready. What do you think? That is so easy, right? Remember, don't overboil it, otherwise it becomes a little bit mushy. You want it crunchy, so you want to take it out almost right away. So give it a try and tell me how your dish turned out. Now remember, if you really like my video and you learned something new, subscribe or thumbs up. It gives me motivation to do more video and show you how Chinese cooking is done. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye!